All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Having issues again. Good Lord. I think somebody's outside chewing on my wires. So let's go ahead and do it. 3, 2, and 1. Cue down the music. 3, 2, 1. Makeup. Lights. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Awesome, good stuff. And there's no camera. There's no camera because I'm getting this error message once again. I have no idea what's going on. Absolutely none. What's going on, guys? What is going on? So happy you're here. So happy you're here. Hopefully there's not going to be a lot of buffering. If there is, then we'll just have to continue this again on in the group. But it's very upsetting. I wore my favorite shirt today. Well, it's not my favorite shirt, but it's not black because I'm always wearing black. I'm always wearing black. All right. For those of you who don't know, my name is Joe, also known as TradeIntuition, where we show you how to trade, period. We show you how to trade in the most simplistic form. Even when you get these error messages, we still cannot be stopped. Why? Because we have a Telegram group. If you're not in the Telegram group, I strongly recommend you get in there. It's free. We have a free group. So this is my links. So definitely get in there and say hi. You know, and if this does mess up a whole bunch, just let me know if I'm, lagging a bunch. If it is, then of course we'll just go over there. I'm not sure what's going on with YouTube. I'm really not. Everything was fine. I've been using the same settings and everything for, I don't know, the past couple of days. No idea. But all right. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. Do I even have this up? Let me see if I have this up. Let's see here. Where is it? This one, there we go. I knew it. I gotta go check my cameras. I knew it. But so happy you're here, guys. So happy you're here. I want to say hello to everybody who is in here. Greatly appreciate y'all. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. And hopefully the setups that we posted earlier today are doing very nice. Hopefully they're doing very nice. And let's get started. Well, let's get started. What is Bitcoin doing besides tricking us? Now, as soon as this happened, I was for sure, like, man, they're trying to trick everybody. They're trying to make everybody go short. I should have put a long, but I didn't. The whole woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. And I was like, they want everybody to get faked out. And sure enough, coming up, you know, this is what, 12 hours ago, I was thinking this, but it is what it is. I'm not doing shorts on Bitcoin or longs on Bitcoin. Could I? Sure, of course, you know, and just move up my stop loss and then claim, hey, I knew what was going to happen because of X, Y, and Z. Sounds smart, looks smart, but no, thank you. I got the indicators for that. I just throw them all in there, and everybody be like, he's a genius. This dude is a genius. But nope, none of that for me. All right, so moving on. Let's see, sound is good. Okay, good. Good. I see Ian says, let's get rid of this stuff. Let's see. I'm feeling good today. See, I caught a falling knife today. Got a better entry. Nice. I love it. I absolutely love it. All right, good stuff. See, now the connection is excellent. Now the connection is excellent. Now let me see if I can throw my camera. Oh wait, let me go to this one. Let's see if I can throw my camera. Because I have a shirt on today that it's not black. I was gonna put on a black one. It's like no. Then I reach in the closet for another one, and I got another black one. It's like, oh wait, no. And then I have like so many black shirts. It's funny. All right. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, and I might need to adjust the camera. So 1 second. Right now I do show excellence. So here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Boom. Nope. Oh my gosh. I'm tiny. Oh, let me adjust the camera because I don't want the screen to be so big. So un momento. Those are my settings. I'm not wearing black. And let's adjust this. Bring this in a little bit. And a little bit. Boom. Bingo bango. Bingo bango. So happy to be here, guys. So happy to be here. Hello, my name is Joe, and I am known as TradeIntuition. This is the TradeIntuition show. So this is part 2. This is part 2. Bitcoin's just doing its thing. Bitcoin's doing its thing. It's going up. And I mean, we might, this was the plan A, you know, more than likely coming down. It might do this number. You said it was up here at this time. We said it might come down, come back up to probably retest this area. Sure enough, came down, retested the area, come back down, and sure enough, it did. And now it retested this trend line, came back down. So now what might happen, it might get rejected off of this level or zone, then psych everybody out once again, come over here, and then once again, everybody's going short, and then here we go, boom, to the moon, to the moon. Population, well, let's see if we can all get on the bandwagon. Not on Bitcoin, but in the alts. Let's make some money. So if you have a coin you want me to do, let me know. I don't have any coin. Well, I have a lot of coins over there, but don't look. Those are my coins. Those are my coins that I'm looking at. So to give you a heads up, those are for the VIP. Those are for the VIP. And so let's just go look at the chart. Or let's look at the market. Let's look at the market. Let's go to markets. Don't delete. Let's see what this is. Let's come over here and let's go down to markets. We got a lot of stuff. So right now, Bitcoin versus ETH. This is ETH versus Bitcoin, rather. And so Ethereum is losing the battle. Ethereum is losing the battle, and it's coming down. This is just saying that Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum. They can both be doing really well, but Bitcoin is doing better than Ethereum, and that's what this chart would represent. We have Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance at 53.5. What does this mean? This means that Bitcoin has 53.5% of the entire market. The entire market. When this goes down and Bitcoin goes up, that's what we want. Because that's saying that people are buying Bitcoin, but even though people are buying Bitcoin, the dominance that Bitcoin has is losing because now more people are buying the altcoins. So just figure it like a big old like pie chart. And so more people are buying alts, which is reducing the dominance that Bitcoin has. However, if Bitcoin's going up, more than likely alts are going to be going up since this is coming down. It took me a long time to kind of realize what that all meant. Bitcoin on the weekly. This is an old chart, and it's just booming. This is when it was right here at this resistance. This was the macro idea. The macro. Sure enough, it came right up to this level and it stopped. It didn't come down though. It said, nope, forget you guys. I'm going home. And his home is the moon. His home is the moon. Dixie dollar index. Here we did have a bullish hidden divergence. And sure enough, it happened. It played out. And then now you can say that's possible, depending on how you look at it. You could say it's forming a head and shoulders, but if the price action does this, comes down, then comes back up, then comes down, then our thought process changes. If you trade patterns, I don't. Complex, shoulder, head, shoulder. Granted, I have seen some with two shoulders, one head, two shoulders, and some with two shoulders, two heads, and two shoulders. Regardless, it's support, resistance, trend lines. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Let's see, Ben Dog. MEXC. Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely. Let's see here. Bitcoin. Looking for steamy gaps. Of course, for steamy gaps, the way I do it is I look at the candle body closes. That's how I do it. People do it with including the wicks. I prefer to do it like this, but I could be completely wrong, and I'm pretty sure I am, and it's okay. It's okay to be wrong. The ES1 exclamation point. This is the S&P 500 E mini futures, and we were saying that possible rejection right at the 618, and the stock market said no way, no way, Jose, no way, me, and it's blowing up. The stock market is blowing up. Of course, Nvidia AI is just, there's no holding back. There's no stopping it. It's going to continue to move. Let me reduce the size. There we go. All right. Total. Do I look at this stuff? No. Why do I look at it? Why are you looking at it, Joe? Why are you showing us? Because I know other people look at it. Boring. Now, if you look at this and you gain value from these charts, great. Good for you. If it helps you with your thought process and analysis, great. Why don't I do it? I'm always about the whys. Well, I don't do it because this tells me what the entire market is doing. Not my coin, not the coin I'm invested in, but the entire market. And, I have several analogies. One is a car dealership. Another one is the weather. People like the weather. It's much faster. So for the overall market, the overall state of Georgia, of Texas, of wherever, it's going to rain. But on your particular street, it's nice and sunny. Does that rain forecast help you? Sure doesn't. Does this total help me? Nuh-uh. It tells me that there's money in the market, but I can see that with my coin. I can see that with my coin. Total 2. Joe, Total 2. This is the everything except Bitcoin. How does this help me? Because other people do it. I mean, you can do it too and kind of see what it is. Does this help me on my street with the rain? Sure doesn't. Sure doesn't. Well, what about Total 3? It excludes everything but Bitcoin. Or it excludes everything. I'm sorry. It includes everything except Bitcoin and Ethereum. Nope. Still nothing. Still nothing. Weatherman, is it going to rain on my street? Is it going to rain on my street? Let it know. Is it going to be rain in my front yard? That's what I want to know. Is it going to rain in my front yard? Because if it's the next block over and I'm walking, then okay, maybe. But if it's the next, subdivision or zip code over and I'm walking, nah, it doesn't bother me. I don't care if it rains over there. I don't care if it's, gusty winds. Doesn't affect me. Not one bit. See, and that's my way of thinking about it. You can think about it however you want. If you use the total 2, total 3, great. I see a lot of really successful traders that look at that. But I broke it down to the most simplistic form. Does it help my coin? Not one bit. What about the AI market? Joe, the AI market's pumping. I know, because the coins that I'm in AI, they're moving. Yeah. Joe, the AI coins are dumping. The market is absolutely going to trash. I don't know. Maybe your coins, but my coins are doing really well. Again, does it affect my street? I don't know. You tell me. The FOMC meeting on Wednesday. So that's another thing. The FOMC meeting. Now there are some times where it will. Let's go ahead and do story time. I need to do the big screen for this. There are some times where the FOMC meeting, what it does is it'll tank the market really quick, and then it'll jack out the market really quick. If I have a stop loss, it doesn't affect me. If I'm in a trade, if I'm already in a trade, I just leave it. Now, if I'm not in a trade, because I know people are very, very emotional, I won't enter a trade that day. Sometimes I will, because sometimes it won't even affect my coin. And I've done this thousands and thousands and thousands of trades. Now, knowing that other people are manipulated, and it gets me so upset, because you could have great FA, you can have great TA, but because people are so manipulated by these dumb forecasts, it dumps the price, or it could increase the price, or it could do nothing. There have been times, now mark me if I'm wrong, there have been times where we had really bad news. Unemployment rate was whatever, either higher or lower than expected, whatever the case is. Did it affect your coin? No. There have been times where it didn't affect mine. And then there have been times where it did affect it, but the opposite way of the way it should have. So these are just my thoughts, my thought process. Right now I still have excellent collection, but these are just my thought process when it comes to the markets and the FOMC meeting and everything else. Think about it. And like, who taught us to trade? More than likely the market makers. Just think about it. Keep it simple. So in my opinion, like the way we trade, when Bitcoin dumps, oh no, get out of everything. Everything's going to the sky's falling. Who taught us that? Market makers. However, do I have to accommodate for the ways other people trade? Why? Because I'm trading against them. So at times it is frustrating, because it's like, man, like I just want to trade. I just want to trade for my trade. I don't care about the whole market. I don't care about the FOMC meeting. I don't care now. None of that stuff. Because sometimes it affects my coin and sometimes it doesn't. Now, when it does, well, I have a stop loss. When it doesn't, hey, great. Everybody was waiting. I'm already in. Now they're jumping in. I'm up 12 points or 12%. So that's my thought process. Okay. Moving on. Joe, get off your soapbox. Okay. Sorry, guys. Let's do some Bitcoin. Let's get this out of the way. There we go. Okay. Some Bitcoin. Okay. So we went over the market, and that's the market for you. All right. Joe, are you in a bad mood? Man, today's been good. We've been doing some charts. We've been doing some really nice trades. So what was it, dog? MEXC. Okay. Let's do this. Oof. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Where is the thing? There it is. Okay. All right, so we had a nice pump. Let us get to the YouTube rapid fire. Okay. Oh, look at that. Green. Love it. Good Lord. All right. And we're going to see a lot of this, guys. We're going to see a lot of this. Have money on the side, because there will be times where it's going to dip 20, 30%. Be ready. Okay. Daily. Okay. We just wait for that. We have support right here, though. Let's go 4 hour. Okay, and you can see it's losing its momentum. It's bouncing lower. A really nice. Okay. This is what I see. So we can do support bounce. Support bounce. That's what I see. We are looking for a support bounce in this area. Now, if it does bounce, do we enter? Well, we have to wait for it to cross this level. This is when we want to enter. We don't want to enter before, because if we do enter before, what could happen is Price comes down, comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down, loses its thing, and continues down. Do I think that'll happen? No, just because it's a new coin, and we'll see. That's my thought process. How about a target? Joe, can you give us a target? Definitely, definitely. I would love to give you a target. So let's go with, okay. So whenever, this is, write this stuff down, guys. Write this stuff down. This is very important. The very first candle, you don't want to do. Very first candle. Well, what about the time frame? Well, all this is one candle. Oh, can't do that. All this is one candle. Because if you go to a higher time frame, well, they make up that candle. You go to a higher time frame, well, they make up that candle. So usually I look for the day. The first day, I really don't count it because you're going to have this huge pump and then usually a huge dump and then may settle for a little bit and then maybe even a huge dump again and then maybe a huge pump. So the first day I really don't count. All right. And for that reason. So what I would do is I started from here. Here's good. So let's go and let's do our magnet tool to our high. Ooh, and it's right in the golden pocket. Right in the golden pocket. Nice. So it would be actually better to buy it. Well, let me just draw this out. So let's do this and then probably this. And then this again. Okay. So more than likely, we're going to have it come up. When it does, and this level is Alt J. And let's go ahead and do this white so we can see the number. Yeah, let's do it white. And then we'll also do this too. So this is the entry-ish area. This is the white circle, what it represents, our entries. So if it breaks out, which it should, then the candle has to close on the 4-hour time frame. These candles look fairly good. They're not, huge big candles or huge big wicks, so this is good. So this would be a nice entry for your first entry. And then same thing, what you want to do is more than likely it's going to have a pullback. And then of course you'd enter here, and then we would probably do another one once it breaks out of this level, which we'll do Alt J again, and that's your levels. So let's expand this a little bit. Now, how about a target? Yes, definitely. Would love to do that for you. There we go. Our target would be our first. Oof, man, that's nice. Let's do a little target. Let's do a small target right around 28%. And of course, we change this to yellow because yellows are our targets. And then we would do one more target for you. We would do right around right here. So for this, we do have this as a target. And then we do have this one as a target as well. And stop loss. Let's just do a whole trade for you guys. Let's do a whole trade for you. Now, one thing that I do here and also in the free portion of the group, ouch. It's going to have to be almost a 1-to-1 ratio for your first target anyway. Don't like it, but it needs to be done. Sometimes we do things that we don't want to do, but it has to be done. Okay, there we go. So you have your entry, and then the circles represent more entries. Always do a scaling trade. You have your stop loss, and you have your targets. Now, the benefit of entering a third here, let's just say price comes up, and then it comes down. You lose 27%. Oh my gosh, Joe, you are the worst mentor ever. Why in the world would you do 27% and doing a 1-to-1 ratio? You're ridiculous. I hope you don't have a group. Well, I do. So here we go, guys. This is 1/3 of our entry. So if we entered 1/3 and we lose, let's say 30%. In reality, we're only losing 10%. If my math is correct. Third, 30, 10. Yeah. You lose 10%. Let's just say you're doing $100. Well, for this entry, you only do $33. Then if you do get stopped out, all you're doing is losing 30% of that $33. So that makes it more, it makes it less, it doesn't hurt as much. We'll just put it that way. It doesn't hurt as much. All right, moving on, moving on. Come on, Joe. Taking too much time on that. All right, nice chart. I like it. All right, let's see here. Let me put this over here. All right, so that was that one. FOMC meeting on Wednesday. Yes, yes. It will be 5.5% again, more than likely. More than likely. And then this one says, man, I can't read it anywhere I put it. I can't read this. Let me put it over my face. Then I'm blocking this too. All right, let's see here. Other dominance is everything other than the top 10. Let's see, Road Dog. World Dog's in the house. Happy Leprechaun Day. Oh, it's Leprechaun Day? Oh, I'm not even wearing green. Hey, where's my face at? Oh, I'm covering it. Where am I at? It's kind of like a grayish green, I guess. Grayish green. Got shoulder pads on. The 80s. Remember the 80s, guys? And the big old hair. Or was that the 90s? I don't know. I'm old, so I just remember everything was black and white. Man, when Technicolor happened, man, it was like, it was crazy. And then I forgot the thing after Technicolor, but Technicolor was crazy. Let's see here. Yes, definitely smash the like, guys. If you have not smashed the like already, please definitely smash the like. I bring you a lot of alpha here, guys. A lot of alpha for free, for free. Road Dog does too. Road Dog, he has a show at night. Sometimes it's 9:30, sometimes 10:30, sometimes 11. But definitely make sure to have that notification bell on his channel. That way, when he does go live, you know what? Now, it's a little bit different. I'm going to let you know right now. It's a little bit different. Road Dog knows what I'm talking about. It's a little bit different, but great TA. Absolutely great TA. He believes in helping people. He does the whole giver's game. He gives, not to get, but he gives because he likes you. And he shares all his knowledge. He's a great dude. Great dude. Let's see here. So, yes, definitely Dave P in the house. We have SB Crypto News. Awesome, man. Glad to have you here. And of course, if you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, put that notification bell on. We go live every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. When we do get issues, we kick it over to Telegram. And that's where you can find me, guys. You can find me on Telegram. This is my links. They got all my links in there. But definitely hang out on Telegram. It's a free group. I do have a free group and a paid group. So you can learn everything in the free group. There's no reason for you to join the paid group unless you want the call sooner, updated, bunch more. There's so much more info in the VIP. And of course, there has to be to give the VIP members some value in addition to all the stuff they're already getting. Now, if you are a VIP member, let people know if it's worth it. Don't tell them the price though, because I want them to go to the group so they can see the price. But just let them know if it's worth it. And I appreciate that. All right. So SB Crypto News says, great update. Emotion reactions have led me to, yep, previously. I tell you what, like emotions were my biggest downfall because I had greed, I had envy, I had doubt, I had just anger. I had, just why are these people making all this money and I'm not? I used to be in a group, several groups, but this one particular group, all these charts were being posted, 10, 20 charts a day. In the VIP, we don't do that. 1, 2 charts. I think today I posted the most I posted in a long time was 3, but tomorrow I might not even post 1 because I'm waiting for these charts to play out. So I do all the waiting for you so you don't have to. But back to the other group, but they would post 10, 20 charts. And I'd enter a lot of them, 8, 10, 12. But this was a day. So in 7 days, they posted minimum 70 charts. And then 80% gains, 120% gains. And I'm like, man, can I not? Like, what am I doing wrong? Like, and all these people, hey, thank you so much. That was a great call. I was able to buy an island and, this Ferrari, it matches my other Lamborghini. All these testimonials. And I'm thinking, man, every single one, I can't win. And then I realized the game. And when people would tell me, Joe, I'm getting all of these trades, I said, listen, man, I was in the same spot. I said, you have to learn how to trade. For one, you have to learn how to trade. And then, hopefully you can find these coins before the person posts them. That's pretty much it, And then when they post it, of course, you're going to pump your bags. know what they're looking for. That way you can get into them. And that's what I did. Made some good money. I told people my secret too. Food for thought. What's up, buddy? What is up? Easy money. Spy option. Strangle Wednesday before the Fed meeting. Is that a coin? Option? Is that a short? I don't know. Those are technical terms. All I know is buy and sell. That's it. Short and long. That's it. Let's see. Dave P says VIP is 100% worth it, hands down. Food for Thought says VIP pays for itself. Got my money back the first posted trade. I'll tell you. And see, and here's the thing too. I don't post all these setups, and that's what all these groups do. It kills me, guys. It kills me. Like I'm on Twitter and I see hey, we posted this one back in last month and it's up 4x. We posted this one like 8 weeks ago and it's up 13x. We posted this one back in, and I'm thinking, yes, man, but how many charts did you freaking post? I know, because I'm watching you, because I want to make those gains. Man, get out of here. I post 1, 2 charts, and I let all the trades come to me. I get alerts. I was like, oh no, it's not ready yet. I gotta wait a few more candles. So 12 more hours, 60 more, because I trade on the 4 hour. 12 more hours, 60 more hours, and then I'll go back to the charts. Like, okay, it found support. Now it's time to enter. So that when we do enter, more than likely, and I always say like 2 to 3 days, but usually it's a few hours. But just so I don't like promise people hopes and dreams. Usually within 2 or 3 days, the coin starts moving, and we start making money. And I'll post this to where, like, just because I put these targets doesn't mean you have to do these targets. If you want 10, 12% for your first target, 20, 30% your second target, go for it. Do it. Like when I post charts, I post them in a whole bunch of different variations, depending on the type of trader you are. Aggressive trader. So I'll post charts that sometimes I'm looking at. So if you want to, you could get in early, which I did. PYR. That one. Ooh, that one's going to be a good one. Also, I posted, for a safer entry. Post or enter on the break of the 4-hour candle at this resistance level, and I tell you everything. Then I have some for long-term holds. If it pulls back, don't even worry about it. Add to your entry. This one you want to add, and I update the charts. Groups don't do that. They do not update their charts. They don't tell you when to move up their stop loss. They don't, because there have been so many where we've been up, and I said, move with the stop loss, guys. Move with the stop loss. And we're up, 60. I won't even give you the numbers. We'll say low numbers, 8%, 12%, which that it's way more than that. But we'll just say, because I don't want to promise anybody anything, 8%, 12%. And then I start seeing the market coming down. It's like, whoa, guys, I update everybody. Guys, the Bitcoin doesn't look good right now because I know how people trade. I said, Bitcoin doesn't look good right now. Move up your stop loss. And this is where I'm moving up this one. It's super tight. This is where I'm moving up this one. Super tight. Now, we may be in 10 trades by now because none of our trades got stopped out. So when we see another trade or two, hey guys, here we go. This is a good setup. And then now you can enter that trade as well. So we got stopped out on a bunch of trades last time when the market dumped, and we were up every trade. Every trade. Like I want to say the numbers, but I don't want to, they were all good trades. And you can verify it too. Check out the Twitter. So give you a heads up. All right. Moving on. All right. Good stuff. Let's see here. SB Crypto News says, yes, the group pays for itself. It does. Man. And that's one thing that I didn't want to do when, doing the group, is I didn't want to be like everybody else. And you'll see it too. Like these coins that I'm posting, other groups aren't posting these. So that when they do see them, and especially if we're holding it long term, when they do, not if, but when they do see them, guess what's going to happen? They're going to pump our bags. They have thousands and thousands of members in their groups, whales in their groups. And we're going to, instead of being a 2x, 3x, they're going to be a 12, 14, 18x. Easy. Because the ones that I'm doing, they're low market cap coins. And for a reason too. Okay, moving on. Any coins, guys? Any coins? If not, we will conclude the show. Any coins? Again, this is your free hour of mentorship. We do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, in the VIP, I give a lot of updated videos. I give videos on my thought process. I give videos on what I'm looking for and why I'm looking for it. That's the most important thing. Why? That's a super, super important. And of course, in the free group, there too, we do post charts. Speaking about charts, let's look at this one. I know y'all probably already tired of it, but let's look at this one. What's the coin name? Well, is render. This is how I post my charts, guys. I have the market cap. I have what it is. I have the thing. I have everything. So, what's the coin? Oh man, what's that? Oh, USDT. Everybody's talking about this coin. It's ridiculous. Are we still? Oh, we're good. Okay, cool. So here, this was the little zone that I had, and it's perfect. Look at this. So this was the zone that I had. Well, actually, I think it was a little bit higher. I think I did on the 30-minute. I don't know, but that's pretty good. That's close enough. But on this one, this is our zone. And sure enough, it came up, tried to break out, couldn't do it, came all the way back down to this area, and I added to my trade. I actually added to my trade. I was already up, but I added to my trade, and let's see if this one gets more traction. Let's see how long this one lasts. And this one just started too. Granted, it's a very large market cap, 1 point something billion, but we'll see. We shall see. All right. Let's see here. So we don't have any more questions or anything. Once again, guys, this is your stuff. This is your 1 hour free mentorship. And if you have questions about anything, let me know. I thank you guys so much for liking all the Twitter posts, for commenting on all the Twitter posts, for sharing all the Twitter posts. That really helps get the word out about this. I'm not here to say, oh, I can only share this information with you, but the rest you need for a paid, $99 per hour. I tell you everything. Ask me a question, I show you how to do it. Ask me a setup, I show you how to do it. Ask me about indicators, I talk to you about them. This is your free hour mentorship, period. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me. Oh, wait, let's do a timer. Let's be fair. Let's do a timer. Ooh, that's big. Joe, why are you yelling? Good Lord. Sorry, guys, I didn't mean to yell. There. We'll do it right there. Or do it right here. We'll do it right there. Okay. That's going to be the timer. Let's put this in just a tad. There we go. Okay. Good stuff. Any story time? Story time. Working really hard, guys. So for the VIP, of course, I already mentioned this, but I am working on a long-term, and I already have some of it done, but I want to make it look just a little bit better as far as the long-term holds. I have that working. I also have the PDF that I'm working on. I'm still transitioning people to the Telegram group. It's a lot of work. I knew it was going to take me a few days. And today should, I think I said this yesterday, that today should be the last day for the transition. Then, of course, I can focus strictly on the PDFs, and because there's two of them that I'm going to do. One is because first I just had the charts, but what I really want to do is put more information on there. What is it? I don't want to spoil it. You're going to love it, guys. You're going to love it. And so that's going to be included for the VIP. And then for everybody else who wants that, more than likely there'll be a fee for it. But for the VIP, it's included. Same thing with the PDF that I'm working on, and it's great. It's not all this stuff that's regurgitated from other websites, and I hate that, guys. I hate that people do this to you. If you want information, how do I get it? If you want to do patterns, oh yeah, a PDF that does patterns, oh great. It's the same thing you find on the internet. Matter of fact, it's the exact copy paste from the internet. All they do is they slap their logo on it. That's it. What I'm doing on this PDF, it's an ebook, really. I've been working on this for over 1.5 years. It's a long time. And it goes off of the thought process of an actual trade at that moment. I break down what it is, how traders trade it, and then how I trade it. in the actual sense of trading the coin. So just to let you know, guys, this is going to be unlike any other PDF, any other training book, any other. You have never seen anything like this before, ever. And it's free for the VIP members. So just give you a heads up. I'm working really. I could have done this thing in like 10 minutes. Copy paste, get a website, copy paste. I'm putting in my thought process. So if you like the way I trade, if you like the way I mentor, if you like the style of just everything that I do, you're gonna love this PDF. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now. Oh, we got Crux. What? Crux of crypto? What's going on, buddy? This dude right here, this dude is an absolute beast. Make sure to check him out on Piper Academy. He does some amazing deep dive videos. I learned so much. Like, okay, so all these deep dives that other people do, they barely scratch the surface compared to what Crux does. This guy's an absolute beast. And of course, he's part of Piper Academy, and Piper Academy is by far the beast. So just give you a heads up. And of course, with them, every day, Monday through Friday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, they have a show. I'm always in there, guys. I'm always in there. I share it on Twitter, all that fun stuff. Make sure to check them out. And, you know, go in there, you know, and just show your support. You know, it's what it's about. It's all about support. But let's see here. Oh, we got some latecomers. Man, I already got the timer on and everything. All right, Mark. If you got a coin, we'll do rapid fire for you. If you have a coin, no pressure. You have 40 seconds. You have 40 seconds to put the coin in. Rapid fire. Let's go. Let's do rapid fire. And I'm gonna do them hearts. I love it. All right, everybody. Crux. I only want Crux to do the party favor. I want Mark to do the hearts. I want Dave P to do the surprise face. I want Food for Thought to do the smiley face. And wait, don't start yet. Don't start. Y'all are cheating. I want SB and Dave and Road Dog and Manuel and Ian to do the hundreds. I'm going to team up with Crux, and we're going to do the party favor. So in 3, 2, 1. It's going to be for 1 solid minute. It's going to be for, yes. So go. Let me go ahead and do this and do the timer. It's going to be for 1 solid minute. And here we go, guys. Go. 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 Let's see who's going to win. Let's see who's going to win. Let's see. Constantine, help me out. Do the party favors. We got 1 minute. We got 1 minute. Who's going to do it? Who's going to win? Oh, we got party. How are the party favors winning? We're only 2. We're only 2. Come on, guys. Come on. Here we go. All right. So I'm seeing some hearts. I should see way more hearts. I really do. All right. I know there's a delay. So the delay might be. Let's see. Where are we at? Oh yeah, we're on there. We're on there. Keep it going, guys. Keep it going. We got 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Oh, where my face at? There we go. Ooh wee. All right. Time's up. Man, that was a tough one. I was looking at them all too. All right. So this is how we're gonna vote. This is gonna be an open vote system. And I need y'all to tell me. I want to see this in chat. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want everybody to let me know what they thought won. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for me, I want to say threes won. That's what I say. I say threes. What do y'all say? And of course, there is a about 20-second delay. Let me know what y'all think. Got some ones. Okay. Got some ones. Got some threes. Of course, Crux. Yeah, buddy. We got threes in the house. One's all the way. Okay. Okay. I did see some hearts. Okay. I'm going to go with So it was a tie? Maybe I'm just biased. Oh, we got more threes. We got more threes. Maybe it's because I'm always pushing the threes. Oh, I love you guys. You guys are great. Ian says 4. I tell you what, everyone in here gets a ribbon except Crux and I. We get the championship belt. But y'all get the participation ribbon. But it's the one that got holes in it. It's been passed down and down and down. But just let you know, guys, I love you guys. You all guys are the best. And of course, you already know you're my favorite. You already know you're my favorite. Let's see. DP says 4. It was mine. 4. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. And threes. Okay. We got some threes in the house. We got some threes. Mark says 1 all the way. 1 all the way. 1 all the way. Let's see. Mark says, who's one of the best people to follow for small caps? Right here. I've been doing small caps all day. That's how we've been making all our money, man. Been doing that all day. So just give you a heads up. Let's see here. All right, guys. So we're going to do the closing already. Of course, every day we do this at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go over charts. This is your 1 free hour of mentorship. If you have questions on indicators, if you have questions on patterns, if you have questions on how I trade, why I trade the way I do, what I look at, the strength of the move, anything, I give it all to you for free. Everything for free. Of course, I do have a free group, and this is the link to it. It's on Telegram. It's absolutely free. I share everything with you. Now, of course, if you want to join the paid group, well, that's where we get the more updated thoughts, more updates on the actual coin, more updates on the entry itself, moving up stop loss, everything else. It's a lot of stuff in the VIP. Now, do you need the VIP? Nope, sure don't. You stay here, watch these videos. These videos will teach you everything I show you in the VIP. Just in the VIP, I have videos specifically 3 minutes per topic, 5 minutes per topic. Very short to the point videos, no fluff. And you can learn everything in literally 2 hours. Maybe watching it twice, because all of them are like 3 minutes, 5 minutes. But if you just want the free portion, I give it everything to you. Everything. Ask me for a coin, boom, I give you the setup, the entry, the target, the stop loss, everything. I give you my thought process. That's the main thing. Thought process. I give it all to you for free. If you want, all the extras as far as moving up the stop loss and everything else, then that's the paid. But you don't need it. You don't. I tell everybody that. You don't need it. All right, guys. That's it for me. Let's go ahead and do our sign off. And well, I'm gonna do the sign off on the exit. This is always the awkward part for me, is the going, because I love you guys. Well, I do thank you guys so much. Once again, my name is Joe, also known as TradeIntuition. You just know this. You are my favorite. You. Not the guy behind you, not the guy to the left or to the right, but you. You're my favorite. We'll see you tomorrow. And I'm not pointing at you, I'm pointing to the guy behind you. We'll see you tomorrow. And let's go. We're going to make so much money, guys. We're going to make so much money. Stick with me. I got you. I care about you. And we're going to do it together. I always say this too. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. And that's why I give you everything for free. If you want the extra stuff, then you can, VIP. You don't need it though. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. Love you guys, and you're my favorite. Take care. 3, 2, and 1. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Who's the best in here? Who's my favorite? Who is my favorite? We have Constantine, my favorite. We got Mark. Mark is my favorite. Who else is my favorite? Oh yeah, definitely. Smash those hearts, guys. Smash those hearts. Smash those likes. I absolutely love it. Smash the hearts. Smash the party favors. Smash all that stuff. Who else is my favorite? We got Dave P. Dave P in the house. Dave P is my favorite. He's my favorite. And you can't forget about Jack. No? P Jack 301. P Jack 301, man. You're my favorite. You know that. We got an OG in the house. We got an OG. Yeah, that's Ian. My buddy Ian. And congratulations to Ian. He is now an admin in the group. So congratulations to Ian. He is just by far helped me out so much. And that's why he is my favorite. He's my favorite, guys. Don't get jealous, though. Don't get jealous. Of course, we got Crux in the house. Crux. Man, this dude is a superstar. Y'all don't even know. This guy's a superstar. Don't forget. Don't forget. Monday through Friday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That, oh, and let me show you something. If y'all are still here, if you're here, let me know. Let me know. Say, I'm here. I'm here. Let me know, guys. Let me know if you're still here. So I want to show you something really quick. So let's go back to this. There we go. So I want to show you something. On my page, on the very, very bottom, it has people that I really look up to and I admire, and I have them on the bottom of my page. I wish watch this. Tom Crap, my buddy. Love this dude. Always giving shout outs. Piper Academy, number 2 spot. In the number 2 spot, Piper Academy. Again, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. They have a lot of really great TA and especially FA, fundamental analysis. I go there every morning to know what the market's doing. Every single morning. Sometimes if I'm up all night, which y'all know, guys, I do, I'll literally will stay up an extra 3-4 hours just so I don't miss their show. So Piper Academy, a beast. Tradefly, he needs to do more videos on his channel. Now, of course, we got Alex O'Crypto, we got Road Dog, we got Jason Casper, and of course, you can go here and view more. But just to let you know, guys, this is a community where everybody, it's giver's game. Like, everybody loves everybody. Everybody wants to have everybody successful. All these guys right here, good people. Not one of them is a shiller or a pump, the pump and dump or anything like that. All these people that I have here are good people, and like, I vouch for them. So if that means anything, I vouch for them. So let's get back to the thing again. So ready? 3, 2. This was like an Easter egg. 3, 2, 1. And don't forget, you. That's right. You, my favorite. All right. Let's see here. Where were we at? We got so you got Crux, my man. We got Mark, of course, he's my favorite. SB News says my favorite. I think we got everybody. Food for thought. Definitely food for thought. Man, if y'all didn't know, this guy, he's my favorite. All right. I believe, and of course, Road Dog's my favorite. I should give him a shout out. Dude's cool. He's different, but he's cool. He goes live at nights, sometimes 9:30 p.m., sometimes 10:30, sometimes 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But great TA, and he also does stuff for free. He doesn't shield stuff, nothing like that. So just give you a heads up. Oh, we got fire trucks. We got fire trucks coming. But I believe that is everybody. If I missed you, I do apologize. But we will get you next time around. With that being said, I do love you guys. And y'all already know. You are my favorite. Don't ever get tired of hearing me say that. And for everybody who won the participation ribbons, I still love you. You're still my favorite. Crux and I, we killed it. We absolutely dominated. Man, if I had a championship, oh, I got to do that. I'm okay. If y'all want, we can do a rematch. If you want, we can do a rematch. All right, guys. Not right now, though. On the next show. All right. Man, we're going to go Hulk Hogan on you guys. All right. Thank you guys so much. Let's jam out for a little bit, and then that'll be the show. Take care, guys. And as always, let's make this money. Of course, let's make this money. We don't want to forget that. Let's make this money. And thank you, Tim. Tim, you my favorite. Just know that. You my favorite. All right, let's jam out and sign off.